My favorite window air conditioner ever is dead. I'm talking about the Midea U 12,000 BTU window unit that I installed 4 years ago back in 2021 and have had pretty much nothing but good things to say about. But sadly, or unfortunately, depending on your vantage point, they've all been recalled. Apparently, inadequate condensate drainage could lead to mold growth. Here's the inside of mine after a couple of years of use. Honestly, doesn't look too bad, though it only got used for 2 before getting replaced by a mini split. According to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, users can opt for a technician-installed drain, a self-service drain kit, a refund with a cord cut, or a refund with a prepaid return shipping label. However, when I put my info in the recall site, linked below, I was only offered the repair visit and refund via cord cut option. I went with that last one for $386, which is extremely fair considering I've owned it for 4 years. It's sent on a prepaid virtual MasterCard, which will deduct $5.95 per month after 6 months of inactivity. Why they don't just offer a check, I don't know. For this option, I had to break out my cable cutters and perform a little cord amputation, then upload a photo of the now inoperable unit via this app called TruePic that makes you agree to a massive amounts of terms and conditions just to upload a photo. That was annoying. Anywho, after it apparently used AI to analyze the photo, I was sent a confirmation that my pic was accepted and to sit tight. So yeah, that's where we're at. $386 times 1.7 million units means someone made a mistake costing north of $600 million. Yikes.